Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Everything is donkey-dory with me. Today we are going to learn how to say the numbers from 0 to 10 in 6 languages. In English first. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. And now in German. Null, 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 null. Eins, zwei, slang, zwo. Zwei, zwei, or slang, zwo, zwo. Zwei, zwo. Drei, vier. The V sound sounds like F in German, like the word I have. F, f. So, vier, vier, vier. Fünf, fünf. Sechs, sechs. Sieben, sieben. Acht, acht. Neun, neun. Zehn, zehn, zehn. The carnivore plants, they are going to eat me. They are very starving. They are starving. Wir means we, and vier means four. The V sound sounds like F in German words, but German have a lot of foreign words. For example, the word vase or vase, vase. That V sounds like V and not like F. Another word, for example, another word, vampire, 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 vampire. And now Portuguese, my native language. How do you say the numbers in Portuguese from 0 to 10? Zero, female version, uma, male version, uma, dois, duas. Dois, male version, duas, female version. Dois, três, quatro, cinco, seis, sete, oito, nove, dez. And now in Spanish, 0, 0, 0, 1, that is the male version. Uno, female version, una. Dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Now in French. 0, 1, 2, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. And now in Italian, uno, due, tre, quattro, 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 cinque, cinque, sei, sette, sette, otto, otto, nove, nove, dieci, dieci.